Hello, today I teach you exercise 6 and 7 of unit 1.1 of English of class 9 new course. Exercise number 6. The first part of the sentence is given in column A and the second part is given in column B in a jumbled order. Match the part in column A with the correct part in column B and write the answer in column C. Dear students, as you have read the reading text, the last sermon of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. All these parts of the sentences are from this text. We have to match only. Number first, only those people were superior who led a righteous life. So the answer will be F. Number 2, all Muslims were tied to each other in the bond of brotherhood. In the bond of brotherhood, G. Number 3, the only thing that made one person better than the other was the goodness with which they lead their lives. This is J. Number 4, no Muslim had a right to things belonging to other Muslims unless they gave these of their own will. I. Number 5, Satan will try to misguide you in small matters, so be careful. H. Number 6, therefore, all claims to superiority that were based on blood and wealth were useless. B. Number 7, return all things kept with you in trust. Kept in you in trust. To the people to whom they belong. A. Number 8, both men and women have rights over each other. D. Number 9, if you will hurt other, you may get hurt in return. C. Number 10, consider the life and property of every Muslim as a sacred trust. E. Now, exercise number 7. What does this exercise say? The exercise says, work in pairs and complete the following statements. write the complete sentence in your notebook. You have to work in pairs. Here I tell you the answers. Write the complete sentence in your book. Here the sentences are incomplete. I try to complete the sentence. Listen very carefully and write complete sentence in your notebook. Number 1. Most of the Quraysh refused to accept Islam because they thought that the Holy Prophet was against their gods and their ancestors. Number 2. The day the Prophet Muhammad entered Yathrib marks the start of the beginning of the Islamic calendar. The Holy Prophet invited the leaders of the Muslim communities living in Medina to discuss how to live peacefully with each other. Now, number 3. The 3 main points of the Charter of Medina were number 1, rights and duties of the Muslims and Jews of Medina. Number 2, it gave freedom of religion and prohibited any alliance with the outside enemies. Number 2, it gave the freedom of the religion, and number 3, it prohibited any alliance with the outside enemies. The 3 main points of the Charter of Medina were: it mentioned the rights and duties of the Muslims and the Jews of Medina. Number 2, it gave freedom of religion. And number 3, it prohibited any alliance with the outside enemies. Now, number 5, in order to strengthen the position of Muslims in Medina, the Holy Prophet ﷺ took 3 major steps, which were: it unified the different Arab tribes under Islam. This was first. And now 2, it carried out a social and religious reforms. Number 3, administrative developments. Number 6, the farewell pilgrimage of the Holy Prophet ﷺ is an important event for the Muslims because it taught how to perform the Hajj. Number 7, the Holy Prophet ﷺ asked the people in the gathering to listen carefully, as he knew not whether after that year he would ever be amongst them. Number 8, the Muslims can ensure that all people get their fair share by justice. These were the 8 sentences of exercise number 7. I have completed them. You have listened very carefully, and now you should write all the complete sentences in your notebooks. Thank you very much.